Welcome to Whispers. Renewed hope, renewed hope. Wishy. Hey. Presidential hate indeed. So, I came across this rather interesting and quite unfortunate headline. And to think it's from a fellow gender is quite disheartening. They know the rate also. They know the rate.
Let's talk about how the Ibadan army
they know the rate is at
all. After the Fulani succeeded.
At all. So, the headline reads, the renewed hope is here. Presidential hate. Abiodun Essiet writes as she releases photo of ongoing toilet projects in a Plateau community. For starters, the so-called toilet is even substandard. I don't think in our own house she will use that kind of a toilet. But it is what it is. No, Benija. So, come along with, I'm short of words. This one, it gets us to be. So, the senior special assistant to President Tinubu on community engagement, North Center. Not to lè ṣe báyìí. Not to lè mọ ìmọ̀kúmọ̀. Abiola Essen has caused a stir. This picture that I'm looking at. Kò tiẹ̀ tó gbà ní kọ́bọ̀ kan àbọ̀. Kò tó gbà ní kọ́bọ̀ kan àbọ̀. A stir online after she shared photos of the toilet projects she is embarking upon in a community in Plateau. Posting the photos online, Abiola stated that the toilet project will help solve the difficulties young girls encounter while experiencing ìbò mọ̀ fẹ́ há sí lẹ́nu báyìí o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ renewed hope toilet Abiola. While experiencing their monthly flow. Biola. Ohun tí èrè ni. Tún sọ. Biola stated that the toilet project will help solve the difficulties young girls encounter while experiencing their monthly flow. Biola mélòó ni mo pè ẹ́? Ṣé bóbìnrin ni ẹ́? Kí ni toilet ní ṣe pẹ̀lú monthly flow? If you want to do anything, shouldn't it be sanitary towels and pads? Tó wá kọ́ ṣáláńgá. O kọ́ kíní òun ṣókóló bí ilé àbẹ̀rẹ̀wọ̀ bí ilé èkúté. Even destitute kan kò lè gbé bí nǹkan tó olóòkọ́ yìí tó ní ilẹ̀kùn méjì. Tí wọ́n kọ́ bí ṣúkúṣẹ́kà Bíọ́lá àbí kí ló ń jẹ́? Ọmọjọ Yíbò onímọ̀rẹ́mọ́lẹ̀ elétè mọ́mọ́ rí mọ́mọ́ ẹnu ẹ ti fẹ̀. So fún nígbà tí wo obìnrin àtẹ̀yìntàn fẹ́ lo obìnrin tó ń ṣe nǹkan oṣù tó wá kọ́rù tọ́lẹ̀tì fún young girls tó sọ pé because of difficulties tí wọ́n yẹn kàtà while expressing their monthly flow. Bíọ́lá ṣé nígbà tó ń ṣe monthly flow as a young girl jọ ṣé irú ṣáláńgá báyìí òun ló ń ṣe sí inú ṣáláńgá báyìí òun àwítọ́ wọ́n ní wọ́n mú kíní ọ̀hún rán wọ́n ní wọ́n special kí náà gbé ẹ̀ special assistant to president. You see àwọn tí Tinubu kó tira rèé àwọn Shukusheka people mismatched putting square holes in round putting round pegs in square holes mo wà kọ́ṣe pé ńgbà tó ń ṣe nǹkan oṣù bóyá ńgbà tó ń ṣe nǹkan oṣù aṣọ ló máa fi ṣe àbẹ̀wé aṣọ àbẹ̀wé ṣé tọ́lẹ̀tì tó lóò ṣe ni ṣé bí píkítọ̀ tó lóò yà ni kò sí nǹkan kan nú ẹ̀ náà omi tó máa okay ká tẹ̀sọ́ pé o pè ní toilet okay where is the toilet seat where is the wash hand basin where is the water to flush nothing sakamaji kí ló tún sọ describing the project as the renewed hope Biola ẹnu ẹ̀ láàkan ṣé ẹsẹ̀ mélòó tó kọ́ yìí ní renewed hope Biola ó ní renewed hope to help solve difficulties young girls encounter while experiencing their monthly flow Biola olójú dúdú ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹ̀kan gírí oh my God renewed hope the first toilet in Nagum community Maza ward Plateau State is almost completed. It is built within the school compound. When it is completed, our girls will have a place to change their sanitary towels. Oh my God, why are you people like this? So, over some people, so kí tọ́lẹ̀tì sọ lẹ́nu ẹ tó dé kó tó kọ́ Shukusheka makeshift kí la ti máa pè yìí so wọ́n ní a place to change their sanitary pads Biola àwọn ọmọ yìí ò ní a place to change their sanitary pads àwọn ọmọ tó ń sọ lókè ṣé báwọn ọmọ òkè ọya ni tí wọ́n rí ránun ìkó gbé kò wu jango tí wọ́n dàbí ọmọ tí wọ́n fọwọ́ nù lára tí wọ́n tiẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ sanitary pads ń bo ló kọ́ sí ó lọ kọ́ sí school compound it is not oh my God I don't want to do this okay no it's okay our girls will not miss classes again when they are having menstrual cycle Abiola torí tọ́lẹ̀tì tó wá kọ́ Shukusheka makeshift toilet tó kọ́ làwọn ọmọ òṣè ní miss classes mọ́ because they are when they are having their menstrual cycle tọ́lẹ̀tì yẹn wá jẹ́ bíi save fẹ̀kọ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ò ti ní renewed hope ni so kí tí wá ní jọ Biola ṣé tí wọ́n bá gbé tọ́lẹ̀tì fún ẹ as obìnrin àbí fún ọmọ ẹ lóbìnrin jọ ṣé o máa gbà á I have contributed to ending open defecation in Nigeria. Abiola say makeshift Shukusheka toilet tó lóòkọ́ yìí ló ti yá ló wá lead to you contributed to ending open defecation in Nigeria jọ community tó lọ bá mi tó lọ kọ́ toilet méjì péré ni o kò kí ṣe pé bóyá o kọ́ loads of toilets o jọ so gbogbo wọn sì toilet yẹn náà máa ń lò wọn ò ní lọ yàgbẹ́ wọ́n wá kíù síbẹ̀ I have contributed to the development of the Nagam community. The renewed hope is here. Biola ẹnu ẹ̀ lákan. Ṣé eléyìí ṣó jọ renewed hope sí ẹ? Tí wọ́n mọ bí ìmọ̀kúmọ̀ yìí. ṣé bó ni mo zoom yìí ṣé bá òun làwọn blocks yìí wọn ò tún lè fi cement sí dáadáa wọn ò tún lè fi cement sí dáadáa olóòkó tó lè jì fún wọn ò dé open toilet òun wá níwọ̀n kí ló ló ṣe náà òun wá níwọ̀n put an end to open defecation jọ ṣe okay oh my god it can only be in Nigeria oh. And to think this is a woman oh. fellow gender ọmọjọ Yíbò Bíọ́lá àwọn tó lóhun special assistant èmi ní kọ́kọ́ máa rí èmi ní kọ́kọ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ sílẹ̀ ó kọ́ toilet kò dé kò rúfẹ́ so tójò bá rọ̀ òjò á máa pa àwọn ọmọ yẹn tóòrùn bá ràn òun á máa pa wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ kò yàtọ̀ even Shalanga is even nicer. Shalanga is decent. Shalanga is even more presentable. Ó ṣe nǹkan wọn rẹ̀. Ẹ kò ṣe níṣe ní ẹnu òṣè tí ráwọn pípù yẹn náà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ ti rí wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ wá ní renewed hope. Oní tọ́lẹ̀tì makeshift tọ́lẹ̀tì tó lóòkọ́. Makeshift block tó lóòtòjọ́. Oló máa stop àwọn ọmọ láti máa miss class wọn nígbà tí wọ́n bá ń ṣe period oppression yìí máa pọ̀ o ìyà yìí máa pa mẹ̀kúnnù àwọn ará òkè ọ̀yà ṣége promax àwọn ará òkè ọ̀yà adẹ́múmẹ́lẹ́wà wọ́n máa ti jẹ̀yà yìí o substandard that is not of quality ẹ wá kó blọọkì jọ ẹ mọ bí ìmọ̀kúmọ̀ ẹ mọ bọ̀rọ̀ gidi géètì ṣé mo jọ wá kọ́ ṣe pé bílíọ̀nsì ló máa lóun náà o bílíọ̀nsì ló máa lóun náà ṣé mọ̀ yù kí lórúkọ ọmọjọ Yíbò onímúramọ́lẹ̀ Abiola shame on you your shame dey shame you shameful ṣé mi ò tí ẹ mọ nǹkan tí mo lè fi ẹ́ wé shame on you awítọ́ oníwọ̀ kí ló tiẹ̀ sọ náà awítọ́ oníwọ̀ kí ló sọ oníwọ̀n kí ló kọ síbẹ̀ oníwọ̀n fellow of Cardiff International Institute ní Canada abroad náà lè fi máa kó wọn lómi ọbẹ̀ jẹ́ Nelson Mandela Washington fellow ìwọ regional director of African World Smart Cities Bíọ́lá Ojúgbàmí tì fún ẹ ṣé tó jọ ó sọ pé wọ́n regional director of African World Smart Cities jọ ṣé toilet jọ kọ́ yẹn show of standard World Smart Cities Bíọ́lá kí ni quality makeshift block tó kọ̀ lẹ̀ mọ́ra wọn tó gbé síbẹ̀ yẹn ìwọ gender advocate really Bíọ́lá lórí toilet yìí náà o gender advocate woman leader of Nigeria Women Trust Fund ìwọ ṣebí iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ẹ̀ náà lárí kó o ṣe nǹkan fára ẹ fóbìnrin ara ẹ ló lọ ṣèṣekúṣe ló lọ mọ̀mọ́kúmọ́ bí bó ti rí náà ni tọ́lẹ̀tì ṣe rí ìwọ àti tọ́lẹ̀tì gbogbo is a representation of you bó ṣe rí gẹ́lẹ́ bí tọ́lẹ̀tì yẹn ṣe rí ló ṣe rí that is just it that some say that oníwọ̀n public health consultant and researcher kò ní ragbá fún public health consultant and researcher ìwọ consultant public health consultant ló lọ kọ́ haphazard building tó jẹ́ pé if care is not taken building yóò tún lè lead to health and safety concern ìwọ health consultant Abiola jọ tí wọ́n bá lọ inspect that so-called makeshift God-forsaken shite bricks tó sọ pé ó fi ṣe toilet jọ ṣó máa pass public health and safety test ṣó máa pass Abiola, you are shameless. Oh, shameless gan. Your shamelessness go down. So adúrú gbogbo nǹkan tó ló kó jẹ public health consultant ló ṣe substandard toilet in a public space like that. Cardi International Institute Canada. Shame on you. Shameless thing. Shameless thinking. She's passionate about community. She's passionate as a community leader. Ìwọ community leader. Ìwọ. Ó ṣe project to handle with 7 years of experience in project man. Biola, ojú gbà mí tì fún ẹ. Ojú gbà mí, ó sun owó náà ni. Ó sun ńgbà tẹ́ ní kàwé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá dé kàbóyè rà ni. Only 7 years experience in project management, community development and leadership. What project management? Manage. You are a failure. Manage just one public toilet. Manage it. That is your project. Even oh my God, you are a disgrace. And he said you are shamelessly shameful. So with all the way to kàwé ni o kàn gbórí o lè gba àwọn tó jẹ́ pé they are experts in this o kàn lọ káwọn labourers wọ́n kọ̀ bẹ́ even labourer mi tó bá rí iṣẹ́ oh my God iṣẹ́ meticulously neat wọ́n wá ṣe òṣì school nonsense síbẹ̀ yẹn Abiola project manager o dẹ̀ ló ní 7 years experience. Iṣẹ́ project tó ṣe kò tiẹ̀ ṣe òpó ní any experience whatsoever. O fail ni woefully. Tẹ́ni tí ọ̀rọ̀ mi bá wà lẹ́yìn woefully. Man, if woefully were a person, you are it. You are it. Wọ́n sọ pé community development. Jọ kí ló develop kí ni nǹkan tó ṣe? With that toilet tí mo rí yìí o. And leadership. So when you are involved in identifying development gaps in society and ways of bridging the gaps. Biola. Miss Biola renewed toilets. Toilet shitey makeshift toilets. Project manager. Toilet leader. Oh, you see your shamelessness, Your shamelessness, You no get class. Kò ní class. Kò ní wo kó gbá lẹ́nu ẹ. Take it back. Kò jẹ́. Kò wá máa sọ pé our girls will have a place to change their sanitary pads. Our girls will not miss classes again when they are having their menstrual cycle. Lórí shitty shalagato olóòkọ́. I have contributed to ending open defecation in Nigeria. Lórí shitty shalagato olóòkọ́. Shalangati ò ní window. Abiola, oh my God. Shalange kò ní window. Shalange kò ní roof. Shalange kò ní toilet seat. Abi, look at the job. Look at the workmanship. The workmanship of this, whatever it is, is nothing to write home about. This is clearly, they are not professionals. They are not qualified professionals. Ṣorí nǹkan tó ṣe yìí health and tó bá jẹ́ mi ní inspector ó máa wo bí mo ṣe kí lorúkọ ẹ Bíọ́lá ó máa wo ó máa wo mo dé wá kọ́ ṣe pé ó máa sọ pé billions lè lò wá tukọ̀ properly whatever is what you na to jọ ṣé bó Bíọ́lá ẹnu ẹ lákọ ṣé bó lọ Canada jọ ṣé bó ṣe ń kọ́ ní schools ní Canada jọ ṣé tó ṣe ń kọ́ tọ́lẹ̀tì wọn ni ṣé tí tọ́lẹ̀tì wọn ṣe ń rí ní schools ní Canada. I'm talking about kindergarten o ká má ti sọ nursery ká má ti sọ primary ká má ti sọ secondary alẹ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ máa sọ àwọn aráàlú òyìnbó lẹ́nu náà ni àwọn àlọ́ ìbò kò jẹ́ ká mọ̀ wọ́n ti da lórúkọ mọ́ ṣápá ìwọ ilé ìjà aráàlú òyìnbó ìwọ tí ìlú òyìnbó hàn lára ẹ tí ó hàn níwẹ̀ tí ó hàn ní iṣẹ́ ẹ tí ó hàn ní how you do things even èèyàn tí ò lọ sí iléèwé Bíọ́lá èèyàn tí ò lọ iléèwé tí ò lóhun health public health kìíní kan ó máa kọ́ better á kọ́ something better ó máa perform better lórí tọ́lẹ̀tì kékeré tó lọ ṣe ó fèlè ó ṣubú yakata ni ta ló ló ń ṣe special assistant fún ó lulẹ̀ ní yakata tí Tinubu náà ṣe lulẹ̀ ó lulẹ̀ ní I am so pissed right now I am pissed right kí ni LinkedIn whatever ni mo lọ kàn yín o tó lọ kọ epistle tó kọ oríṣiríṣi epistle talk is cheap Bíọ́lá talk is cheap your performance is zero no on action ní starting ní starting ní middle ní finishing ó lulẹ̀ ní yakata òkè ọya náà ló ti òkè ọya náà ló lè kélé sí òkè ọya náà ló lè kélé sí mo I can bet it nígbà tẹ́ bá commission this so called toilet within a week gbogbo tai gbogbo inú ẹ̀ gbogbo lẹ́lẹ̀ náà máa yàgbẹ́ sí òun náà máa yàgbẹ́ sí torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe jẹ́ kó ṣe wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ yín ó ti rí wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ kó tó ṣe wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ múra sí renew toilet project manager hey oh my God I'm boiling kí ló kọ́ yà sọ̀rọ̀ ni rubbish no be who chop the shit renewed hope for toilet abi o wow just wow fún Abíọ́lá o fún Abiodun Miss Toilet ó wà fún o ó wọ̀wọ́ fún seriously o I mean if she's not stealing public she has done well. You give only what you have. Say no to corruption. Orí bó ṣe rí orí ṣùpàṣùpà bíi ṣùpẹ̀rú báwo gan ló ń gan ṣe rí lórí ṣùkúṣẹ́ka yokoṣúná kò ní taste so báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ mọ quality ṣé wọ́n máa sọ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ yóò bá tiẹ̀ dá jẹ nǹkan tó dáa mẹ́ẹ́n ó jẹ nǹkan tó dáa ọ̀nà iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ẹ̀gọ́ ò dáa mẹ́ẹ́n ojúbú olùlẹ̀ wọ́n sọ kó ṣì sọ I am speechless o kódà ẹnìkan ló wà speechless sọ àmàyò èèmọ̀ olùkùtù pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́bẹ́ aráàlú èbò èèmọ̀ olùkùtù pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́bẹ́ Abiodun olóhùn regional director for African World Smart Cities world àgbáyé òun ni African director World Smart Cities ó dẹ̀ kọ́ ṣáláńgátì ó kọ́ kò tí ẹ kọ́ to world standard o ká má tẹ̀ wá sọ pé àwa máa fi cities sí àbí àwa máa fi smart sí o ó lóun jẹ́ advocate lórí ṣáláńgá woman leader of Nigerian Women Trust Fund lórí ṣáláńgá ó lóun public health consultant lórí ṣáláńgá a researcher oh my God. So Abiola gbogbo research tó ti wá ṣe all over the world throughout all the continents so toilet design toilet tí wọ́n nìyẹn bó ṣe ń kọ́ toilet nìyẹn so nínú researcher tó jẹ́ the only renewed hope tó lè fáwọn èèyàn ní toilet tó sọ pé the renewed hope is here toilet ó passionate about Abiola toilet ebo no passionate about community leadership iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ẹ̀ tí ó ti fi hàn báyìí oníwọ̀n ní 7 years experience ní project management ordinary ṣáláńgá ono manage ti so only were involved in identifying development gaps in societies so okay Abiola nígbà tó wá identify pé okay o ní ìlú òkè ọya tó wà o ṣáláńgá tó bá ti kọ́ ṣáláńgá fún wọn ṣáláńgá ló máa jẹ́ kí nǹkan oṣù àwọn ọmọbìnrin kó máa fò dá kó máa wá déédéé pé tó bá ti kọ́ ṣáláńgá fún wọn wọ́n á lè lọ máa change pad wọn tó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé wọn ò tí ì change pad wọn kó tó pé ṣáláńgá ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ń dúró dè kó tó lè change pad nǹkan oṣù wọn. So ńgbà tó wá rí pé the gap o táwọn ọmọbìnrin the gap tó wà nínú ayé wọn o nǹkan tó wà important sí wọn tí wọ́n rí lì ní ìdí ní ìsinyìí o òun ni fún ẹ láti ṣe ṣáláńgá fún wọn kí nǹkan oṣù wọn lè what a day òun ni kò ṣe ṣáláńgá fún wọn kí nǹkan oṣù wọn kò ṣe ṣáláńgá fún wọn kó má bàa máa miss class. So Abiola so ṣáláńgá tó ṣe fún wọn so àwọn girls wọn ní miss class mọ́ tí wọ́n bá ń ṣe menstrual period wọn ibẹ̀ yẹn máa jẹ́ bí shelter bí abode bí kí la ṣe máa pè náà mi ò oh my God oh my God ọ̀rẹ́ ó pèsè jẹ kí làwọn èèyàn tún sọ Nigeria has the most morally bankrupt people on planet Earth. Absolutely. Check well. They will tell you this degenerates is the deaconess in Redeem or one of the mushroom churches that is constantly in bed with thieving politicians. Me religion. Ekwozu. Serious one. Shame no dey shame no dey catch us for being sold for over 1,000 per liter, and you are bragging about this as renewed hope. People begging left, right, and center for survival. It is toilet that is the renewed. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni fún Abiola agbe toilet yẹn agbe lọlé á dì ṣe hàn tá sàbẹ̀ lórí ìdáni tó bá fáwọn ọmọ àfọkọ ẹ̀ jẹ á gbé toilet yẹn á package á máa ha káàkiri renewed hope wọ́n á jẹ́ wọ́n á yó renewed shege APC jokers shameful, very very shameful. Nǹkan ní Mrs. Desmond Elliot bẹ́ẹ̀ ni òun tiẹ̀ Desmond Elliot ńgbà tí tiẹ̀ pákó ló tòjọ́ pákó tẹ́ẹ́rẹ́ òun ló tòjọ́ ṣé pákó ni náà ike ni ó wá fi táàpù sí oníkan máa fi fọwọ́ they know the rate also. Are you for real? Help me ask her o bóyá ó dẹ̀ ti kú rí ni mi ò rò pé ó wà for real o. And who says they will be safe in such a place when using it? Àníṣe nǹkan tó lò ṣe kò lè pass safety health and safety kò sí window bẹ́ẹ̀ kò sí roof bẹ́ẹ̀ ó tún wá gbé lẹ́kùn rin sí jọ Canada tó lò whatever tó ti school jọ ní toilet wọn ṣé lẹ́kùn rin ni ṣé lẹ́kùn rin náà máa ń gbé sí toilet. Why do our leaders think that an average Nigerian should always make do with whatever low budget nonsense that they provide? I want ẹ bá mi bá Abiola, ẹ bá mi bá Abiodun ló ń jẹ́. May my children have the opportunity to live in a country that everyone has access to a good standard of living and work for any luxury that they desire. Laugh out loud. The girls were previously changing their sanitary pads in the market square. Ẹ bá mi bá Abiodun. And is this a pit latrine? Àmọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n kọ́ síbẹ̀. Àwọn ṣìgìdì wọ́n ṣàmọ̀mọ́kùmọ̀ síbẹ̀. Bọ́n ṣe rí náà ni toilet yẹn náà rí. Ní nǹkan tí wọ́n mọ̀ ṣe rí. Representation nǹkan tí bọ́bọ́ ṣe rí náà ni nǹkan tí wọ́n mọ̀ ṣe rí. Has the sea no water source or plumbing? Àbí mo rò pé bóyá èmi nìkan náà ni mo observe o. Seriously, this is where Nigeria is at in 2024. Ẹ bá wa bá Abiodun o special kí ló ló ń ṣe tó ó dẹ̀ gbèrú ni ó gbèrú sórí ni kí ló ṣe kí ló ló senior jọ kí lórúkọ ẹ ọmọjọ yíbo Abiodun nígbà tó o senior ìwọ tó o senior tó o lulẹ̀ báyìí senior special assistant on community engagement senior special assistant lóye tó jẹ́ in 2024 it's not even finished though, and she's patting herself on the back. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni òun kékeré ní ìjolùṣẹ́ lójú òun ṣẹ́ṣẹ́rẹ́ báyìí ní ìjolùṣẹ́ lójú lójú àrẹ ó ti ṣe nǹkan bàbà nígbà tí ò ṣe irú ẹ̀ rí. Ó lóun ní 7 years experience as project manager in project management kò ṣe irú ẹ̀ rí because nǹkan tó ṣe yìí kò tiẹ̀ ṣó pé bóyá ló ní experience in split seconds. This so-called senior Pangolo has likely traveled out of the country before and has seen what public toilets looks like. Ẹ bá mi sọ fún. Even in remote areas, is this a personal project from our pocket? Then maybe it is not as laughable. Just don't tell me this folksy mediocre construction is a government project. Ǹgbọ́ Abiola wọ́n ní kó wá ṣàlàyé o wọ́n ní kó wá gbẹ́nu sí máìkò wọ́n ní kó wá explain tire o. Of course it's government now. It's government project now. Tó sọ pé renewed hope is their toilet. The government is clueless o. Ẹ máa imagine senior tí èèyàn tó ṣe yẹn báwo ni thinking faculty ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ rí báwo ni reasoning ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ rí tó ṣe tó mọ̀ọ́mọ́ kú mọ́ tó ṣèṣekúṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn tó wá tó ń kan sára sí rẹ̀ èèyàn tó jẹ́ kó lọ́wọ́ dá sọ́nù kó dọwọ́ bojú bọ́tígbà tí ò sí consequences tí ò sí accountability tí ò sẹ́ni máa ask questions kò sí standard because the standard bá wà ní nǹkan tó ṣe yẹn kò tiẹ̀ if substandard kò ṣe standard ju òṣìṣkò nonsense ṣùkúṣẹ́ka makeshift ìmọ̀kùmọ̀ tó mọ̀ síbẹ̀. Well, somebody said she has given her widow's mite. Those who have the means should also contribute in one way or another to help fellow citizens. Nothing done to meet the needs of the citizens in one way or the other is a waste or too little, no matter how little. You that has condemned our gesture, when you last had some cash on you, how many charities do you do? Really? Even charities will do better job. You see, even charities, they do better job. They do better job. They perform better. So má gbé yẹn wá at all. Má gbé yẹn wá at all. Somebody said, let's assume for a second it's a widow's mite that this derelict Abio project was all she could conceive as the presidential aid to serve that community is enough reason to be worried about the future of this country with the kind of heads floating around the corridors of power. Absolutely. Couldn't agree more. Spot on. This cubicle is not even cubicle that consists less than 150 blocks, and from all indications is a pit toilet attached to a structure is what she's shamelessly putting forth as a community engagement project. Abio, coming from somebody that claimed that she has 7 years project management to experience. And NDLEA are wasting valuable energy conversing for intending university students to undergo drug tests, while we have people exhibiting possible symptoms of being on drugs floating around the corridors of power. God, I beg go. Totally. I'm not shocked because the president is fake. President is clueless. President doesn't have identity. So of course, birds of the same feather will flock together. Of course, the type of people that are gonna be working with him, that are gonna be interacting with him, that will be associated with him will be clueless too. So, this lady and Desmond Elliot must be unknown brother and sister from another mother. Oh Lord, how did I end up in this country? Yeah. Laugh at Latin. Awareness people have pressed self-destruct button. Oh, okay, this is interesting. These are people interacting. Somebody said, before you start tearing her apart, it is not a government project, but our own pet project. She's not a politician, so she doesn't have any allocation to carry out any project. Loriro. She just went ahead to provide a little amnesty she could afford on her own. Loriro. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa àlẹ́yìn tẹ́ máa encourage wọn ni. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa encourage wọn ni. Somebody mo like and somebody fired back. He said, don't be daft. She is a senior presidential aide If it is in a private capacity, why is she terming it renewed hope? I beg shift, go left jare. Ewu Gambia like you. Oh, like oh, mi funi woto. Oh, funi gas. Oh, funi gas. Sometimes you get the impression these people are under a spell. Babala spell new. Babala spell because when you put somebody in their right thinking faculty with good mental health, psychological well-being, like health-wise, physically, we do this. But you know us now. We are in our spiritual, Sometimes you get the impression these people are under as well, because how do you explain educated people gloating over embarrassing projects they would not find acceptable for themselves? Bẹ́ẹ̀ni o, there's a slap on the people's face o. Àwọn ará òkè yẹn pẹ̀lẹ́ o, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ etí ṣáláńgá tí wọ́n gbà yín yìí o, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ olè ṣáláńgá tí wọ́n jà yín ojúkorojú yìí o. Can you imagine? It's an insult. It's an insult. How do you explain this? Because if you go to LinkedIn, whatever, she has all the, she's talking the talk, but not walking the walk. She's talking the talk, but not doing the job. Because all the talk that she said, that talk this. When the thing comes to the theory, come practicalize them. She lule land, she land herself. How do you explain educated people gloating over embarrassing projects? Yes, so. Can you imagine? Rubbish. Absolute rubbish. Now renewed hopelessness. Spot on. Shamelessness at its peak. Benio. This is madness. Of course. Honestly, Nigerians are very shameless people. What the heck is this? Well, the people in that country deserve the kind of leaders they get. I couldn't agree more. Yet, we are still seeing people backing her, saying it's our own private, it's our pet project. When somebody says she is senior aide to the presidency, Tony renewed hope toilet. Hey, my God. Who do we offend in this country called Nigeria? Imagine what we got from government official. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni o, ẹ gbà wá o. Who sent Joseph? Ẹ bá mi bí o. Somebody said, thunder fire you and your president. Aragidi ni o. Aragidi. Ẹ máa imagine káwọn ọmọ kọ́ wà ní the so-called ṣáláńgá. Òjò bá rọ̀, òjò máa rọ̀ lé wọn lórí. Tóòrùn bá rọ̀, òòrùn á máa rọ̀ lé wọn lórí. Laugh out loud. 21st century achievement. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, 7 years of project management. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, and the award goes to Abiodun. Abiodun tó jẹ́ kí ló ń jẹ́ regional director for African World Smart Cities. Kò dẹ̀ lè kọ́ smart toilet. Ó wá lọ sí ilé ìtìkọjá àkùkọ bàbá mi kan láìláì. Ó wá lọ sí 90 gbọ̀ngbọ̀ngbọ̀ lulẹ̀. Ó lọ sí 90 gbọ̀ngbọ̀ngbọ̀ lulẹ̀. Ó wá lọ mọ̀mọ́kùmọ̀. This one is not even ṣáláńgá. Ilé igá. Even ilé igá. Táwọn bàbá ńlá wa tí wọ́n mọ̀ tí ṣe gáláyé àtijọ́. Ó gbà yìí. Ó gbà fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́ ju ìmọ̀kùmọ̀. Ju mọ̀kùmọ̀ tó mọ̀ sí bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Rádàrá kòtì oníkòtì kàtìkàtì. Just imagine. Kàtìkàtì. Ní 21st century. Ẹwà achievement. The dividends of èmi ló kàn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn ló kàn. àwọn ló kàn wọ́n dẹ̀ ti lulẹ̀ báyìí ṣáláńgá ló kàn wọ́n báyìí sìn renewed hope of ṣáláńgá òun ló kàn wallahi talai Nigeria na cruise amid all this that is happening na toilet you feel built to hit the economy of the country God abeg yes so it's not even toilet it's not even go to ṣé yẹn to toilet. I am here to read other people's comments because me, I don't tire. Oh, I don't. Me got tired. Can you imagine? Ben, you. Ah. 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 I don't know. I don't know who or what she thinks she is. Oh. Eh? Is that the best you can do? And you're even proud to show it. I mean, excuse me, mi ò mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń fa àwọn èèyàn pè ṣá. Ṣé bí tọ́lẹ̀tì ti tẹ̀ ṣe rí ilé nìyẹn? Ah, Kai, who do us like this as a country? Can you imagine nonsense toilet built and labeled renewed hope? Madam, you for now take anything God knows. It is well, sha. It's the kind of rubbish country we find ourselves. Nigerians don't suffer. Oh, sad. Yes, so. God have mercy on us. Is this the type of public toilet they see abroad? Ẹ bá mi bí o. What do? I was pretty cocoa. There's always like, I am now convinced there's a terrible power that seizes the thinking of political office holders in Nigeria. Even if you have good intentions, as soon as you enter office, the powers go scatter your head. The girl no mad so about Wabio. Eleni, did you build it with your personal money or government money? So I can figure out where your contribution or your job is coming. This person is even confused. The confusion of the confusion of the whole building is even confusing people because people are like, what is this? Is this even a toilet? Is this even a toilet? Eleni, thank you very much, madam. Oh yeah, play two people. Your problems are all solved. No disturb Tinubu again. Nigeria, my country. Somebody said, is she okay? Renewed hope? How many liters of PMS is this? Amo. What a sad sight. This is what you called a project? One worth gloating over? Anyways, I don't blame you. Yes, so. Àgbàdo ronú criminals in government. Una go see Shege Bansa. What is what do you come about when Shege Bansa? Bunch of mediocre beings. Renewed hope indeed. Last. Now who chop the poo? Someone said, it's like when these people join this useless and worthless APC regime, they lose all senses of reason. What in God's name is this nonsense? So constructing toilet is now the renewed hope? This lady is very... So is she trying to say Plateau State people are primitive people? That is what she's implying. It is sad though. It's very, very sad. That is, she's just insulting their intelligence. That is it. She's slapping them right in front of their oju. See her renewed gold face. Now this kind toilet bill. I am dumbfounded. Man, I'm dumbfounded though. Chai. Wèrè làwọn ẹbí àmọ́ it's a big question àmọ́ what a shame It's a pity. Yes, so this is from a whole president. This is from a whole president. Oh, senior into the president. Unbelievable. Oh. On top toilet. Truly renewed hopelessness. He's here. Aren't you ashamed to publicize this as presidential project? Could you be transparent enough to let the world know how much this project cost you? In a time when Nigerians are buying fuel at an unprecedented 1,200, is when someone is rubbing salt and pepper on our gaping sores while telling us that renewed shaggy banter is here. May God judge you according to your deeds. Well, new. Well, new. Does it mean when you become a presidential aide, you don't have brain anymore? Sorry, Nigeria, my country. And the country, Yorubas are surpassing Aboki in level of praising nonsense things. Well, me, I'm Yoruba. I'm not praising this. She's rada. Lele to she. Eléyìí ó fọrẹ́ra. Nǹkan tó fọrẹ́ra yóò dá. Make una come see renew the bowl, laugh at last. Hope indeed. What is this? How did we get here? Amo. Who do Nigeria? Amo. What a rubbish and total disgrace to you, your office, presidency, APC, Tinubu, and an insult to all Nigerians. Ọlọ́pàá ìwọ̀n ẹgbàgbàrà alẹ̀ eléyìí ìtúwàsọ ìtúpọ̀. Someone said, Desmond Elliot, come and see your sister APC imbeciles. Wetin be this one again? Toilet part of developmental project. Hey, this is Nigeria. One good project at a strategic location is better than 5 scraps in dungeons. Snake infested area project. How on earth is the project safe? Kò safe, and kò sí roof, kò sí window. And kò ní wà nínú the so-called toilet. Kí snake kò climbing. Next time, have some sense before posting absolute rubbish scrap. Helping a failed administration on social media. Oh my, get a sense about it. Get a sense about it. The youthful politicians are turning out worse than analog politicians we criticize. And to now buttress that, the diasporian politicians are worse. Politicians are worse. They are worse in terms of performance than the local ones, because they've been in the diaspora. They're exposed. They know the standard. They know what's up. But when they come home, when they are classless, so their performance is the worst of the worst. That is what they are giving the people. That is what they are giving the people. The worst of the worst in terms of governance. That is what they are giving people. Even the local ones, God will never step outside. They know what's past them. Abiola, Okoku, eléyìí tó fọ́dára yóò dá. wí bí àkúbẹ̀ ètò fọ́dára yóò ìgbẹ́ tó yà sára yìí òórùn ẹ̀ gan-an mo wà káṣọ pé a ti máa chóòkì wọ gan a ti máa chóòkì bẹ́ẹ̀ yóò bá tiẹ̀ kàwé èèyàn máa ń kọgbọ́n orí jọ ṣé télọ̀ ló bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ni kò wá sáwọn professionals nínú ní ìlú mọ́ ṣé bówó ló máa jẹ owó ò kì í ṣe issue fún ẹ náà kí ló fẹ́ kọ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ tó bá lọ gbé fáwọn professionals bí ẹ bá mi kọ́ a standard quality excuse me toilet full school ọmọ mélòó ló wà ní school tó wá ṣe toilet méjì fún so ṣé o fẹ́ sọ wípé bóyá primary 1 to primary 6 àbí bóyá from 1 to from 6 gbogbo wọn the whole of the population of children attending that school toilet méjì iná máa lò àbí toilet yóò wà designated fún àwọn ọmọbìnrin nìkan torí ẹ ti o tún ní period toilet ni ipe toilet yẹn o máa help solve the difficulties of young girls that the young girls encounter while experiencing their monthly flow. What has toilet got to do with monthly flow? O ti wá sọ pé toilet yìí o pẹ̀lú àbúrò Dangote náà ti sọ pé tẹ́ bá ti ra ọ́ìlì wọn mọ́tò yín ò ní bàjẹ́ mọ́. I'm still coming back to that. Nǹkan tó ṣe yìí Abiola ó kù díẹ̀ káàtó tó bá sọ pé omi ló máa ṣe jáde náà máa sọ pé rọ́ ni o. Ó ṣáà ti gbé lu èyìnbó rí ó ṣáà mọ bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe ń bẹ̀ ṣé bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe nì ṣé bí wọ́n ṣe ṣe nì ṣé bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe nì tó olójú tó òfin rí na ṣé bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe nì ẹni lójú tì tó mẹ̀tọ́ tó ṣẹ̀tọ́ ló ṣe ṣé bó ṣe yẹ kó o ṣe ló ṣe ṣe yìí ṣé bó ṣe yẹ kó o ṣe ló ṣe ṣe yìí tó wá mẹ́hẹ tó lulẹ̀ báyìí àwọn ọkùnrin táǹdì àwọn ọkùnrin la ní ọmọdé táǹdì ẹ̀yin obìnrin kó tún burú ju tọkùnrin lọ ó tún burú ju tẹ̀yìn ti tàwọn ọkùnrin lọ eléyìí tó ṣe yìí kó dáa ó tún wá ṣe sí obìnrin jẹ́ńdà ńgbà tó wá sọ pé o ṣe tọ́lẹ̀tì fún obìnrin tó o ṣe ní mọ̀kúmọ̀ báyìí tó bá wá ní kó o ṣe wá tó wá sọ pé kó o ṣe fáwọn ọkùnrin tọ́lẹ̀tì tí mò ń wò tó jẹ́ pé tójò bá rọ̀ jù ó máa wó dà sọnù ni ó máa wó dà sọnù ni ẹ máa ṣe nǹkan àlùbáríkà ẹ máa ṣe nǹkan àlùbáríkà ẹ máa ṣe nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé nígbà tẹ́ ẹ bá lọ tán wọ́n sọ pé tọmọdé ò bá ta bárọ̀ bá ní bá tán báyìí ń sìn ó ti fúnra rẹ̀ náà ló gbé sáyé kò lè kúrò mọ́ àwọn ọmọ ẹ máa rí i pé ìyá àwọn nígbà tí ìyá àwọn jẹ́ special aid sí presidency ìyá àwọn kan ṣáláńgá ṣé amọ̀ ni wọ́n fi mọ́ ni àbí yéèlé yéè má pọ̀ o yéè pọ̀ yéè bu aya o Abiodun ṣé kò tún sí Dangote cement mọ́ ni because from this picture ó dàbí ìgbà tí wọ́n mú àmọ́ ara kége o ṣé ibi tí Dangote cement tí wọ́n dé Bíọ́lá ó lè fún wọn lówó kan ra cement tẹ́ wá mú bí àmọ́ tẹ́ wá san àmọ́ mọ́ blọ́ọ̀kì ok mo lẹ́kì color coordination nígbà tó wá mú àmọ́ bíi brown tó san mọ́ blọ́ọ̀kì grey ó wá gbé géètì brown sí. I'm laughing in Swahili. Abiodun sórí taste ò ní taste ó lójú ọlọ́run nígbà tó mú àmọ́ tó lẹ̀ mọ́ blọ́ọ̀kì àmọ́ bíi brown because kò lè jẹ́ símẹ́ǹtì lélẹ́yìn kò jẹ́ símẹ́ǹtì ló lò tó mú àmọ́ brown tó lẹ̀ mọ́ blọ́ọ̀kì ẹ wá lẹ̀ mọ́ ògiri yẹ́lò. Jehovah Olúwa nígbà tí bí ọdún ó mú blọ́ọ̀kì grey ó lẹ̀ mọ́ ògiri yẹ́lò ó wá mú àmọ́ ó lẹ̀ mọ́ to now finish the color combination ó wá lẹ̀ brown gate ó gbàgbé window ó gbàgbé roof ó gbàgbé toilet seat ó gbàgbé the plumbing. Oh my God. Oh, this is really sad. It is sad. Oh Lord, jọ̀ọ́ Bíọ́lá Abiodun kí ló dé tí mo gbé Bíọ́lá Abiodun jọ̀ọ́ ṣé ọjọ́ tó bá lọ commission ṣùkú ṣe kámẹ́ṣì tí ṣáláńgá tó kọ́ ṣé ó máa jókòó sí ṣá ṣé wàá jókòó sí wàá test ẹ̀ ó yẹ kó test ẹ̀ ó yẹ kó test ọlọ́run àtẹ̀tùwá ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kó wá jọjọ́ tí ìwọ náà wà lórí period ẹ̀ so that wàá lè lọ ọbẹ̀ wàá lè change wàá lè rí a place to change your sanity pad. Abiodun radarada kó ṣí sàn senior presidential aide my ass bloody nuisance.